Ever seen a duck with a personality bigger than the Big Apple itself? Let me introduce you to Daisy, the star of our farm. Out on a little farm where the water glistens and the grass is always greener, lives Daisy. Not just any duck, mind you, but the queen of quacks and the belle of the barnyard. Every morning, this glossy feathered gal makes her grand entrance, waddling down to her throne, a shimmering pond where she spends her days splashing and playing Marco Polo with her pals. Now, Daisy ain't your average pond paddler. Oh no, she's got a social calendar that would make a city socialite swoon. Kids line up with their bags of bread just to catch a moment with her, and she greets everyone with a quack that's as warm as a New York bagel on a Sunday morn. And let's not forget, Daisy's a top-notch egg layer, delivering the goods that keep this farm humming. Her eggs, fresher than a morning daisy. See what I did there? So next time you think life's all hustle and bustle, remember Daisy. She's got the right idea. Enjoy your pond, make friends, and keep it sunny side up.